Hey guys, so in a video that we had actually showing our dining room table reveal that we did, somebody commented about our blinds saying that they were a train wreck, and I agree, they are. So I just did one over here, but I'm going to show you really quick how you can do it. See the big chunk? Obviously we don't need all of these. There's little tabs right here on the bottom. I'm just using a little screwdriver, sticking it in right here. All that you're doing is popping the plug out from inside. So much easier standing up. So next thing you're gonna try to do, there's a little tie ribbon in here where they tied it. You gotta try to get that thing out of there. Not exactly easy. And usually they put it on a little slip knot. You can see there, all you gotta do is usually pull it. Nope, this one is not a slip. So it must have already. Where is it? I never said they were easy to get out. They're just so small of a rope, it's kind of hard on your fingers. So. Just know that. And it's kind of hard, so what I'm actually doing is trying to get this little tiny rope inside out of the hole so that I can pull the knot and then take the blinds off. Okay. So, now we know excess, all these from here down, obviously we don't need. Make sure that your blinds are going the right way when you're doing this so that you're getting it level. First time I put it together on the other side, I had it one off on this piece right here. So what I'm doing is taking my last row right at base level, pretty much right at the bottom where I want to be. Alright, I'm gonna stick this through there. There's a little hole on the bottom side. Little hole goes up because you're sticking your string back through. Oh, that was cool. put both sides in this time so that it can stay. I'm just going to tie a little slip knot, just like the last one, so that if we ever decide to change it or shorten it again, that string just gets tucked back up inside. Same with this one. Little string right here goes through the hole, comes out the bottom. And once again, right about there. Slip knot, tuck that back up inside there. Check your fit. I'm okay with it being on the bottom right there. The only next thing I'm gonna do is have that row done, so that gets rid of all that extra slack. So one last piece. I messed up on the first one doing this. Your very bottom row, which are these right here. Recommend going to the very bottom and cutting it. Don't cut it up here because you need that extra distance. When you cut it, it's going to wrap around this hole and you're going to push the plug back in, like on that material, so that it goes inside. So once again, I raised it all the way up. What I did last time was just put the end in the hole. On both sides. So all that I have is both ends wrapped around it. And I got the little plug piece, and I'm gonna just push it in there. And boom, that side's done. Let's go over to this side. Same thing. I pushed the thing up to get as far down as I could, enough string to push up in the hole. Cut that one as well. Now what I'm doing is holding it kind of with the bottom one of that, so that they're both there. Gonna push these strings inside the hole. That one doesn't want to stay there. This one probably doesn't. I don't want to either. But as long as they're both overlapping, and the plug is what's really gonna hold them in place. And now the blinds are straight. That's it. Easy as that. Easy 10 minutes.